Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Moderna. Now, we're currently trading at 354.87 here, and we had a nice run in here the past couple weeks, and it looks like we're heading back up to those highs on the 26th, which is right at 362. So we're going to see if we can work our way back to those 362 highs, and then maybe if we can get a nice little push for the earnings catalyst, work our way to the 370s, or maybe have a run up into earnings to the 370s. I don't know, but we'll have to wait and see if that 362 can be breached. Obviously, above that, you're looking at 365, 370. Nice whole numbers for your next resistances. Now, support wise, what are we looking at? Well, our immediate support is going to be down here at this 9-day EMA, currently trading at 330.91. Below that, it will be this 23.6 fib level, currently trading at 313. And below that, it will be the 38.2 fib level down here at 282. Not going to hit down there just quite yet because we do have an earnings catalyst in here coming up next week. RSI is 81. Stochastics in here overbought as well. Don't put too much stock in your relative strength indicators because you do have earnings coming up next week. That might keep it in mind. But again, with a news catalyst or earnings, you don't really have to worry about them too much. So I wouldn't put a whole lot of stock in that this is overbought, but still just kind of be aware of that as you are planning on trading this. Like I said, we have earnings coming up next week. They're going to be pre-market August 5th, so that's Thursday. Your August 6th expiration cycle is going to be your earnings expiration cycle. That's going to have all the IV in there. Raw IV of around 79% in there. Everybody's pricing in a expected move of right around $28. The following Friday, everybody's expecting right around $37. And your August monthlies, everybody's pricing in an expected move of right around $41. So like I said, all your IV is going to be in that earnings expiration, but really you're going to get a small contraction of your IV in here, but really it might not be a whole lot because your next 4 to 5 earnings expiration cycles, actually it's 5, are all in the upper or all in the 70s. So really you might just get a small 5 to 9% move in your IV in here with that earnings, and not quite sure. So it's kind of interesting to see. Usually you get like a nice solid, okay, the immediate next expiration is 50. You know what I mean? That's going to be a 20% contraction. All the rest of the expirations are in the 50s as well. All right, you can kind of gauge what kind of contraction you're looking for. But really, you have 5 in a row that are all above 70. So we'll see what happens. But you might get a couple cents here and there. I'm sorry, a couple percentages here and there on that earnings contraction next week on the IV. But again, we'll have to wait and see. Again, just to reiterate, let's keep an eye on our 9-day EMA in here for support. Below that is going to be that 23.6 fib level, and then watch the 362 resistance, and then see if we can work our way into those 370s before earnings next week. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.